Hey guys, it's Versus here. So today I'm gonna make one of my videos to have sound effects. So the first up, we got Spider-Man versus Sandman, some funny or weird fight. Yep, that's the video that I made for like 2 years, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna add sound effects for some reason. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy this. So yep.
Okay, this is a breaking news is that now you guys might be thinking, why are you guys looking at the black screen? Because we don't know. So anyway, we have breaking news. There is another sandstorm which is actually more than hours ago, and then he went to a truck which is full of money and something like that. Now hold up, what is this all about again? Either way. Boom. Inside. Alright, now let's go! Boom! What's up, buddy? Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you, so leave now. Oh, you're so funny. You know, I'm the sheriff over here. Okay. No, take that, punch! Uh-oh. Sand, punch! Oh my god! Ow. I got the truck, and let me just, oh no, there's a car coming. What is up with the car crash? Wet, ow, wet, and also that, kick, this is not yours. Sandhammer, ow, that really hurts, dude. Sandhammer, ow, this guy's cheating because he's using the same thing over again. Hey, help us! No, just get out of there! Get out of there! Okay, I keep coughing for no reason. Hey, where's the other guy? You can't see me. Well, good thing the officers are safe. Now it's time to swing away. Oh, wait. I think there's sand on me. Let me just take off this. Man, I think I got sand in my tongue. Now let me just get this off of there. And yeah. Ow! Man, that's messed up. You seem exhausted. Just went in another fight with Salmon. Dude, you can't fight him. He's sand. I already know. I'm not stupid. Dude, you look like you were doing it, and you were hearing this every time again. Sorry, I just keep forgetting. Man, how can I beat sand with water? Wait, what? You do realize he's made out of sand? Yes, I know. That guy's made out of sand. I know he's made out of little pebbles and something else. Oh my gosh. This is really weird out here. Well, man, I'm just gonna go right now. Super jump.
Well, I guess that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoy the sound effects of one of my old videos. So yeah. So if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe on my channel. So bye.